Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to buy Simpson coin on MEXC Global. Simpson coin, Homer Simpson. The meme coin that's here to bring the laughs and the gains. Homer Simpson coin is all about having fun. Based on CoinGecko, Simpson coin can be traded on Uniswap, MEXC, Bitmart, and so on. Now let me show you how to buy Simpson coin on MEXC Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1,000 USDT beginners reward to claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your MEXC app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy Simpson coins, go to the Markets tab. Here you search for Simpson USDT pairs. MEXC Global offers futures and spot trading on Simpson coin. For this video, we will use spot trading to purchase Simpson coins, so you choose Simpson USDT. Tap on the buy button here. Make sure you are on the spot and buy tab. Keep it under limit order to set the buy price you want, though you can use market order to buy Simpson coins immediately using the best current market price. This red section shows the sell orders and the green section shows the buy orders. The middle part is the token current market price. Input the buy price. And here is the amount of tokens you want to get. Since Simpson coin requires huge numbers, just input here the total USDT you want to use. Let me put $10. Once all is set, you tap Buy Simpson. Your buy order will usually show under Open Orders. To cancel your buy order, tap Cancel here. To check your trade history, you tap this icon. Here you see order history and trade history. That's how you buy Simpson coins on MEXC app. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.